One thing that we do a lot in mathematics is to take a particular problem, a hard problem, and think about special cases, particularly easier cases that are easier than the harder one that we started off with. So if we started off with a question involving these kind of marble bowls, and wow, there's just a whole bunch of marbles in there, we could ask ourselves another question about, well, what if it was easier? What if there were only this many marbles? How can I keep track of this many? How do I know if I started with this many marbles at the beginning of the day, how do I know if I've gained or lost any? What if I end up at the end of the day with this many marbles? Have I lost my marbles? How do I know? What are a few different ways that I could tell that this is not the same as this? And did I get some extra ones? Did I lose some? Did I gain? Did I lose? How do you know? Again, using your own techniques, not simply using the counting skills that and the numbers for counting that you learned. How could you figure this out on your own? And if you can do that in a few different ways, then maybe make it a little bit harder. What if these were my bowls? Do these two bowls have the same amount of marbles? How do you know? If you can answer that question, make it a little bit harder. How about these two? Which of these, do these marbles, these two bowls have the same amount? Which one has more? Which one has less? Or how do I know if I've lost or gained any marbles here? If you can answer it for that, then maybe you're ready to go to back to the original question with some arbitrarily large number of a bowl full of a whole bunch of marbles, and answer the more complicated question there. Well, how am I going to do it here? How am I going to keep track of this marble bowl and know at the end of the day whether this marble bowl is the same that I started with? So consider some of those possible special cases. How might you work through what might be some different techniques for these different sized marble bowls that you might use for solving the marble problem?